Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for your daily dose of sugar.
Hi guys, do you believe that I created this full face using only hacks? So let's get started and know how I created this gorgeous look. Are you guys tired of dark circles? I have a perfect hack for you. Use any red lipstick underneath your eyes to cancel out any kind of darkness. Using my favorite matte as hell lipstick in the shade 33, I'm going to cancel out any kind of darkness underneath my eyes and wherever I have dark spots all over my face. I'm now going to cover up the red lipstick using a concealer. This is the Magic Wand Concealer, my favorite concealer as you guys know. And do let me know your favorite sugar product in the comment section down below. So now I'm blending the concealer with the help of a brush and you guys can see how seamlessly this blends. I'm now going to be setting my under eyes using a powder. Don't have an eyeshadow? I've got you sorted. So taking this lipstick, I'm going to be applying it all over my eyes as an eyeshadow. Now I'm using a mascara as a liner. So once I actually forgot my liner, so I used this hack and this is my favorite hack. You guys can see how beautiful the liner looks. I just applied that liner using the mascara. We all love jet black liner, don't we? Use a black eyeshadow and pack it over the liner to have the full intensity of your liner. We all face this problem in winters. Our mascaras stop working, but I have a perfect hack. Take a glass of hot water and put in your mascara. Take it out after 5 minutes and you're good to go. Look at the pigmentation. I hope you're enjoying the hacks guys. Do hit a like and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Taking a dark brown lipstick, I'm going to be contouring my face, applying it on the hollows of my cheeks, jawline and nose, and I'm now going to blend it. And you guys can see how seamlessly it blends. I love this hack. I would love to know your favorite makeup hacks. Do share it in the comment section down below for me to check. Taking a brown eyeshadow, I'm going to be applying it wherever I applied the brown lipstick. And now I'm going to be applying the same lipstick I applied as my eyeshadow, and I'm going to be blending it with the help of a beauty blender first and then with the help of a brush, and you guys can see how beautiful that blush looks like. I'm now going to be setting my face with a dewy setting spray, and this is a beautiful setting spray. It gives you a perfect shine. I have a hack for you. You can take your brush and wet it with the dewy setting spray and then you can see the difference. Wow! Forgot your lip liner? Don't worry, use your lipstick as a lip liner. So I'm taking this dark brown lipstick to line my lips with a flat angulated brush. So I'm going to first line my lips and then I'm going to fill it with a light shade for a beautiful pouty lips. I always envy people with dimples because I love dimples. So you guys can get dimples without any surgery. See how. I'm using a dark brown lipstick and I'm gonna be just drawing a line and blending it, and you guys can see I have a fake dimple and it looks so cute. This is it you guys for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the makeup hacks. I used only sugar products to create this gorgeous look. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel before you leave.